Craving something quick, crazy good? Let's whip up a 5-minute macaroni recipe that will make your taste buds dance. Pick up a couple of bell peppers, a handful of chilies, some onions, a pack of macaroni, and last but not the least, a bottle of soy sauce. And that's all. Now take a big saucepan and boil some water into it. Also pour some macaroni. Meanwhile, chop all the vegetables we got. Now in another hot pan, pour some oil and all the onions and chilies. Once they are golden brown, put the rest of the bell peppers and give them another good stir. Now pour in your macaroni and some spices like salt, red chili, black pepper and soya sauce as well. There you go. Now go serve and eat a delicious 5-minute recipe to enjoy with your friends.
Our video is specifically targeted towards college and university students living on their own. This audience often struggles with limited time, tight budgets and little cooking experience. We wanted to show that even with minimal ingredients and tools, you can still prepare a satisfying and tasty meal.
Hi, imagine your friends coming over for assignments. The biggest question is what to serve them, right? Well, here we bring you a quick 5-minute macaroni recipe that is super easy. You don't have to be a professional cook. It's for beginners, no fancy tool needed, and it's super budget friendly. And we cater specifically to our audiences.